morning guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're so happy because the last few days we've tried to do the 4-island tour here in Krabi. We stayed here a few days, but it was impossible due to the weather condition. So we finally made it. Basically this tour consists on visiting 4 different islands. Obviously the islands are small, so you won't get to stay here forever, but the sea is super beautiful. It's maybe overcrowded, but hey, it's low season, so it could be way worse than that. You have 2 different options when coming to this island. The first one will be to have a private long-tail boat like one of these, and this will cost you 1,100 baht per person. Or if you want to join the tour, that will cost you around 800 baht. I'm saying around because the official price is 800, but there's always room for negotiation. And today we've decided to go for a private tour, so the sea was quite agitated to come here, but that's okay, we managed to survive. So yeah, here we are. The water here is so clear, and you also get to swim if you like. It all depends on your guide. If you come and you have a private tour, you can decide if you want to stay less or more. So if you stay only half an hour, you can have a swim, but you know, maybe it's better to swim in the other island. Your guide, let's call it, or your driver, your chauffeur, will stop here. You see, so I don't know if you see it on camera, but there's a rope and you can swim just next to Chicken Island, which is over there. We didn't want to swim because the sea is agitated, and we're gonna swim in the next island anyway. But if you're planning to visit Chicken Island, no, you cannot visit Chicken Island. It's only for swimming purposes. Island, and the good thing about this island is that you can walk around, and also you will have food stalls all around the island. So this is including the price of the national park entrance fee and on the price of the tours. Update: we just understood that the food wasn't for us, unfortunately. So basically, if you book a tour and you stay the whole day with your group, you can have the food, or if you go for the private tour, then you don't have any food. But we were lucky enough to sneak in and to grab some food and to have lunch. Right now we're going to have a swim. When we booked the ticket to do the 4-island tour, they told us, okay, you either go to Railay or you do the 4-island. But what they didn't tell us is that Railay Beach is one of the islands that you're going to see. Note that Railay Beach is not actually an island; it is a part of Krabi that is accessible only by long-tail boats. Beach is very famous for rock climbing, so basically here they will give you courses of rock climbing. They're not cheap, you have to know, but at least you can have a good viewpoint. We've just seen 3 guys that were coming back of the viewpoint up there. We're not going to go because we only have our flip-flops, and it's not really safe to go without flip-flops. You know, you have to climb the rocks and everything. really was the last beach on the list of this 4-tour island, which was very enjoyable. We stayed there for 2 hours, we had a swim. I flew the drone, but be careful because I saw that only afterwards. Forbidden to fly the drone, so be very careful. Even if you have the right paperwork to fly it in Thailand, then not in really beach. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and to comment below if you liked it. See you next time, guys.